Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up our extension air awning for your Airstream Basecamp. First, slide the beading found at the rear of the awning into the channel on your Basecamp. The beading is designed to create a snug, secure fit that keeps weather out of your awning. You'll begin at the rear of your Airstream where you'll see a groove in the channel to help slide the awning in. Firmly grab the awning fabric to guide it through. Please note the D-rings located at each end of the beading are not designed to pull the extension through the channel. Once the awning is in position, it's time to inflate the frame. The awning uses a single inflation system, which means you can use either of the two valves located at the front of the awning to either pump air in or let air out. The valves are located at each of the front legs of your awning. Each valve has threaded pieces, a larger one for a deflation and a smaller one where you attach the pump hose for inflation. Your pump has two air settings. Start with the max setting. This allows you to quickly fill the frame with air. As the awning starts to lift and becomes harder to pump with the max setting, move around to help guide the awning upright. At this point, you can switch to the smaller diameter setting and continue pumping until the pressure gauge reads 9 to 9.5 psi. Once you've reached the correct pressure and the awning feels firm, detach the pump and screw the cap back onto the valve. While the valve is non-return, leaving it uncapped may result in air loss over time. Now make sure the back wall inside of the awning is fully zipped. This prevents the legs from splaying too much when pegging. As with all Isabella awnings, we start pegging from the back corner. In this case, I'm going to begin with the tunnel section. Your goal is to get the first peg as far under the Basecamp as possible on both sides. Now pull the extension away from the Basecamp to create a taut tunnel. Next, we're going to begin pegging the main awning. If we pretend the tunnel isn't there, start in the back corner of the awning. ensuring the gray skirt is tucked underneath the air tube frame. When moving to the opposite side, again start from the back corner and work your way forward. This keeps the awning nice and square, giving you clean, straight lines for the rest of your pegging. Where there's a panel or zip, cross your pegging points to keep everything tight and secure. For added stability, you can secure one of the included paracord ropes to each D-ring and attach it to a peg on the ground. However, this step is not always necessary. Once pegging is complete, you can fully remove the back panel or leave it partially zipped, whatever suits your setup. Now your Isabella X-Tension Awning is ready to be enjoyed.